Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with Miss Rhonda. I am Miss Rhonda and I work at the York County Public Library. Now you know we librarians like to read books, and those of you that I've had a chance to read to at Storytime, you know Miss Rhonda loves a good book. But you know what else Miss Rhonda likes? She likes to eat, and I like to spend time in the kitchen. So I thought I would share a few different treats that I might do if you were to come and have something to eat at my kitchen. So, first things first, we have to what? Wash our hands. So first we get us a little soap, we turn on our water, and wash our hands, do 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 do, wash our hands, do 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 do, wash our hands, do 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 do, wash our hands. More. Wash our hands, do 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 do. Wash our hands, do 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 do. Wash our hands, do 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 do. Wash our hands. I think we got them good and soapy. Rinse them off. Whenever you're in the kitchen, you always want to start with your clean utensils. And the best utensils that you'll ever have are your two hands. All right. Let's move around this way and let me show you what we're going to work with today. We're going to make animal toast. And the things we're going to need to make animal toast are bread. And Miss Rhonda's already toasted this up. If you can't use the toaster at home, you get Mama and Daddy or your older brother or sister to do it for you. But we're going to make 4 different animal toasts. We have 4 slices of bread, toasted. Then we're going to need cream cheese, softened. Chocolate hazelnut spread, which is already softened. We'll need a few pretzel sticks. Some sliced bananas. Some fresh blueberries. And some fresh strawberries. That's what's in this cup. Now, if for any reason you don't really care for just plain cream cheese, you can always add a squirt of honey to it, stir it up, and it'll give it a little bit of a sweetness. But I like the taste of cream cheese, so I'm just going to go with it the way it is. So let's start with our first toast. I'm going to move our items out of the way, so I have some room to work. I've got a plate, a slice of bread, and the first spread we're going to use is our cream cheese. Now, Miss Rhonda knows that knives are dangerous for little hands, so I always keep a package of these large craft sticks on hand in my kitchen. So when my grandson comes to visit and he wants to help me, we can use these instead. It makes it a lot easier. So you're going to take a dollop of cream cheese, and I guess I should tell you, the first thing we're going to make is a kitty cat. So take your toast, and you're going to spread your cream cheese in a circle. Just like this. And that's why you want your bread to be toasted, because if it was too soft, it would be too hard to spread your cream cheese. So we have a circle. Now we need to make a kitty face. To make the kitty face, we're going to need a strawberry. We are going to use this for the ears, but we can't use a whole strawberry. That's too heavy. So we're going to cut this strawberry in half. We're going to take one whole strawberry and turn it into 2 halves. And then that's going to be our kitty's ears. You see the kitty's ears? All right. Well, Kitty needs a nose, doesn't he? So for his nose, blueberries. We're going to put 1 blueberry for the nose. And he's got to see, so we'll do a blueberry for the eye and a blueberry for his other eye. Oh, he's starting to look like a kitty cat. You see him? But what do kitties need? That's right, whiskers. So I'm going to take 2 pretzel sticks, and I'm going to break them in half. And I'm going to position them on the cream cheese. And there you have it. We have kitty cat toast. Oh, that looks yummy. All right, well, let's try to do another one. This time, let's make bear toast. So with bear toast, we need a piece of bread. We need our chocolate hazelnut spread, and we're going to put that in a circle like we did for the kitty cat. Just make a big round circle. Cover most of the bread, and you need to put it on thick enough so that when you put your berries or your bananas or whatever we're going to use on here, that they'll stick and stay and they won't roll away from you. So there is our bear's head. Now how are we going to make him look like a bear? Well, the first thing we're going to use is bananas this time. So here's our cup of bananas. I'm going to use 1 banana ear and 2 banana ear. And there's our bear's ears. Now, we're going to give the bear a banana nose and put that on there. Really, it's his muzzle, because we're going to use a blueberry to plop right in the middle of there to make his nose. And then he needs to have 2 eyes. Let's get him all situated here. And he looks good enough to eat. There's our teddy bear toast. And he's pretty healthy too. All right, 2 down. We've got 2 more to go. The next one, what do you think the next one's going to be? Guess, 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 guess. That's right! It's going to be a monkey. We need a slice of bread, and we are going to use our chocolate hazelnut spread again. And once again, we put it on in a circle. Just spread, 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 spread it all around. And remember, like Miss Rhonda said, you got to do it thick enough so all of our pieces will stick. All right, we have got a monkey head. Now, how are we going to make it look like a monkey? Well, of course we're going to use bananas because monkeys love bananas. It wouldn't be right to not have bananas. But we're going to take 1 banana slice, and we're going to have to cut that banana in half. So you're just going to cut him in half, and there is our 2 halves of banana. Those are the monkey's ears. So now we've got a monkey head with 2 monkey ears. Not done yet. He needs to have a monkey mouth. We're going to use 1 banana slice again. We're going to cut that one in half. And we're going to put 1 part on the bottom. And then we're going to take this part and spread it out just a little bit so you can see the chocolate hazelnut spread between the 2 halves. You see? Almost there, but he needs to be able to see. So he's going to get 2 blueberry eyes. Monkey toast. So far we've got kitty toast. See the kitty toast? Monkey toast. Bear toast. I wonder which one's your favorite. And the last one we get to make today is polar bear toast. How are we going to do that one? Well, this time we're going to use our softened cream cheese. You've got it. We're going to put it in a circle. Spread it on nice and thick. There we go. All right. There's the base. Now, to make our polar bear's face, you need a small little baggie. We're going to use this to do something called piping. Piping is drawing with our chocolate hazelnut spread. So, take what you have left in your container and put it into your piping bag. And take it off of whatever you're using. Hopefully it's either a plastic knife or you might have some of these craft sticks available. That really is a great tip, parents, in the kitchen whenever you've got little ones and they like to spread things. It's always nice to have something you don't have to worry about their little fingers. All right, we're going to close them up. Now, you take the chocolate hazelnut spread and you push it all the way down to the corner. And if you see right here at the tip, there's a little bit of air. Well, we got to get rid of that air, and what we're going to do is use our handy dandy scissors and cut the tip off. And the air comes out, and the chocolate hazelnut spread can come through that tiny little hole. You see there? That's how we're going to do it. And then we're going to use this to draw our polar bear. So first, the polar bear needs, let me see if I can show you. It needs 2 eyes. No, actually, these are his ears. We're going to give him 2 ears. All right, there's his ears. See his ears? Now he gets 2 eyes. 2 eyes. There's his eyes. And now he gets his nose. Just a tiny little dot. And then to make his mouth, you come down and you go up on one side and you go up on the other side. And there is our happy polar bear toast. He looks kind of like, let's get him fixed up here on the bottom. There we go. Polar bear toast. So, next time you're going to have a snack, this would be a great idea. It would be lots of fun to be able to make your toast just a little bit more enjoyable.
Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking in the Kitchen with Miss Rhonda. I know I had a lot of fun. I don't know which was your favorite, but mine was the monkey. So I'm going to have him for a snack. Thank you for joining me. Stay safe, stay happy. We look forward to seeing you back at the library. And if you would like to visit and find some other great things to watch during this time, you can go to our Facebook page, you can go to our web page, yclibrary.org, or you can also see lots of other great videos on this YouTube channel. All right, everyone. Bye-bye. Happy eating.